Did you know research shows that 1 in 20 patients experience harm from medications that could have been prevented? And the risk is much higher with particular medications I'm about to reveal to you today. In this 7-part series, we're breaking down what makes a medication high risk, the different types, including the common warning signs you need to watch out for. So let's start with medications with a narrow safety range. Some medicines are considered high risk because the amount you need for them to work is very close to the amount that can make you sick. 2 common medications in this class are digoxin and lithium. Now, these medications are also known as having a narrow therapeutic range, which means that if you get too much, you may have side effects or even poisoning. And if you get too little, the medicine may not work properly. Now, other drugs that require therapeutic drug monitoring, which we won't be covering in this video, include theophylline, phenytoin, carbamazepine, warfarin, cyclosporin, tacrolimus, gentamicin, and vancomycin. That's why these medicines often need regular blood tests to check the right level is in your body. They can also be more affected by things like other medicines you take, changes in your kidney or liver, illness, diet, or body weight. Now let's dive deeper into these medications, starting with digoxin as an example. Research published in 2015 found that patients taking digoxin for heart failure or atrial fibrillation had a 21% increase in death rate compared with patients not prescribed digoxin. The studies concluded that there was the need for close monitoring to reduce the risk of toxicity. So what are the common signs of digoxin toxicity? These include nausea, vomiting and diarrhea, visual disturbances, for example blurred vision, color changes of green-yellow discoloration, an irregular heartbeat or confusion, and circumstances in which toxicity is more likely to occur, for example in an overdose, drug interactions, if there's decreased kidney function, hypothyroidism, and electrolyte disturbances. And the second example of this type of medication is lithium, which has long been recognized as a high-risk medication. In 2009, the National Patient Safety Agency issued a patient safety alert on safer lithium therapy owing to the high numbers of incident reports linked to toxicity and monitoring. Now, what are the common signs of lithium toxicity? These include lethargy, slurred speech, lightheadedness or confusion, a coarse tremor or lack of coordination, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Now, I do want to say if you are prescribed one of these medicines, it's very important to take it exactly as prescribed. Remember to go to your monitoring appointments and tell your doctor or pharmacist about all other medicines or supplements you take, and report any new symptoms straight away. In the next video, the second part in this series, we will cover the next type of high-risk medication, those which are medications with life-threatening reactions, also known as serious adverse effects. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any experiences to share, please comment below. Thank you for watching.